This week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker, for recipes visit www.agrisupply.com/cooking.
Hi, I'm Chef Ryan Andre of City Pork in Baton Rouge. I'm here today with Southern Cast Iron Magazine to show you how to cook my famous frog leg Couvillion in a Carolina Cooker Dutch oven. So I have a caramel roux going right here. We're gonna take this nice Holy Trinity. I'm gonna put that into the pot. I'm gonna take some minced garlic, tomato paste, fresh heirloom tomatoes, shrimp stock, deboned frog legs. We're gonna add our 2 bay leaves, some fresh picked thyme, lemon juice. We have a seasoning mixture of black pepper, salt, sugar, and creole seasoning, fresh lemon zest in there, a little dash of Lea and Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, a little crystal hot sauce, bitters. All right, it looks like we're about done. Gonna finish it off with some nice white rice. And I can't eat anything with red sauce like this without potato salad. And you cannot have frog leg Couvillion without a homemade cornbread cooked on our 13-inch Carolina Cooker skillet. Perfect. And for more cast iron recipes, pick up our latest issue of Southern Cast Iron Magazine. And until next time, I'm Chef Ryan Andre. Come get you some.